Hey guys, it's Lane Morgan here, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers located in Douglas, Georgia. And do I have a treat for you today? We're going to take you on a VIP tour behind the scenes and show you some raw footage from Daytona 2022 Bike Week in Daytona Beach, Florida. This was the 81st anniversary Bike Week. And man, did we see some beautiful bikes and meet some cool new friends, sold some trailers, and met some new customers as well. We made our presence known and left our footprint out at the Daytona International Speedway. That's where we set up at, and we saw a bunch of beautiful bikes. They had a bike show going on out there, and like I said, met a lot of cool new people. We took a 7x16 fully dressed, loaded out motorcycle trailer. It had a blackout special on it. It was two-tone, silver in the front, black in the rear, had E-track in the floor, silver walls, upper cabinets, RTP flooring, ramp and flat was covered, and a lot of LED lights and a few more upgrades. But guys, we had a blast down there. We look forward to going back next year and even doing it bigger and better. We are also planning to go to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I know in the month of May they have a bike week up there as well. So y'all check out this footage. We hope you enjoy it, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon. Until then, y'all be blessed.